The secret. You're gonna have to reach out to not one person, not 10 people, but a minimum of 500 people on a monthly basis. We challenge you, right, this particular month to go out there and direct message 500 people within your target market.
If you're not in it, you're not out. You can start today. So why not message people? Look for them on hashtags. Look for them with the specific qualities that you are looking for within your target market. Make sure that you are letting them know what it is that you do, how you can be a benefit to them, and letting them know specifically how they can get your message.
Make the decision today, then commit, and you will succeed.
Think of all